We have talked about this. That food is for the common things with the Wampanoag Indians.
But we're hungry now.
As you know, we have not stored enough food to see us through the winter. See that hill? That's last winter. That will be all of us. If we do not become friends with the Indians, we need their help. Without it, we will not survive, right? Oh, 3 days! That's it! I promise. You can all hold out.
Yes, Governor Bradford is right. We can all hold out. Except for Clancy.
Standish! I'll super stand! Hi! Did I tell you I was gonna provide food for you? Yes, I did, didn't I?
You call that a bounty?
What's the story? You two, rubbing waddles, or?
Ew, no, Ranger is my brother.
Get inside! Inside, get!
And, even if he wasn't, I'm looking for more mind and less muscle.
Are you serious? Because I have, almost no muscle. Literally, I'm, nothing.
Maybe you should get that looked at. After you. It's a tiny drop, I promise.
Oh!